Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about IP rating of various electrical and electronic devices, outdoor equipments, and other equipments. Ingress Protection or IP ratings, also known as International Protection Ratings, are standardized codes that define the degree of protection provided by an enclosure against the intrusion of solid objects, dust, water, and other foreign particles. The IP rating system is widely used to specify the level of protection for various electrical and electronic devices, outdoor equipment, and other products. The IP rating is composed of 2 digits. The first digit indicates the level of protection against solid objects, while the second digit denotes the level of protection against liquids. Let's take a closer look at the meanings of each digit. First digit represents the protection of the equipment against external solid objects. 0 means no protection against contact or ingress of objects. 1 means protection against solid objects greater than 50 mm in size, such as the back of a hand. 2 means protection against solid objects greater than 12.5 mm in size, such as fingers. 3 means protection against solid objects greater than 2.5 mm in size, such as tools and thick wires. 4 means protection against solid objects greater than 1 mm in size, such as small wires and screws. 5 means limited protection against dust ingress. Complete protection against contact is not guaranteed but sufficient to prevent the entry of most dust particles. 6 means dust-type protection. No ingress of dust particles. The second digit represents the protection of the equipment against external liquids. Zero means no protection against water or liquid ingress. 1 means protection against vertically falling drops of water or condensation. 2 means protection against vertically falling drops of water when the enclosure is tilted up to 15 degrees. 3 means protection against spraying water at an angle up to 60 degrees from the vertical. 4 means protection against water splashes from any direction. 5 means protection against water jets from any direction. 6 means protection against powerful water jets or heavy seas. 7 means protection against temporary immersion in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. 8 means protection against continuous immersion in water under conditions specified by the manufacturer. Sometimes on IP ratings, there might be a letter at the end of the code IPXX. This is the supplementary letter, and it is used to denote supplementary information from the product standard, like where. D means protection against a wire touching hazardous parts. F means the device is oil resistant. H means the device is a high voltage equipment. M means the device is in motion. S means device in standing still. W means the device is resistive to certain weather conditions. B means protection against access to hazardous parts with a finger. Let's have an example to clear it. If you find at equipment specification that the device's IP is IP55, that tells you that the device has limited protection from dust for first digit 5 and has protection against low-pressure water jets from any direction for second digit 5. Whereas, if you find at equipment specification that the device's IP is IP55W, that tells you that the device has limited protection from dust for first digit 5, protection against low-pressure water jets from any direction for second digit 5, and has protection against damp and wet weather for last letter W. You can find this Ingress Protection or IP rating at every equipment's nameplate data or at the user manual provided by the manufacturer of the product. The depth and time limits are specified by the manufacturer. It's important to note that the IP rating system does not cover protection against other elements like mechanical impact, corrosion, or extreme temperatures. Additional specifications or standards may be required to address these aspects. Manufacturers typically provide IP ratings for their products to help users understand the level of protection offered. So, when purchasing electronic devices or equipment for specific environments, it is essential to consider the appropriate IP rating to ensure adequate protection against solid objects and liquids based on the intended usage conditions. Thanks for watching the video. Be with us to know about other interesting topics and feel free to comment for any query.